What's up, guys? Another day, another W. So I just now realized that I haven't posted today a solving problem video. So that's what we're doing right now. Decompress run length. Yeah, list of integers. List compress with run length encoding each event in pair. Blah blah blah. Yeah, this is the one I picked. Yeah, so basically we have 1 2, then we have 3 4s and stuff like that. So some have I0 and J0, then analytical numbers of size, and while J less than N. We have the ants. So for I gets actually for k gets 0, k less than equal to I, k plus plus. We're gonna have another pushback numbers of J. Alright. Then we're gonna do I plus equals 2 and J plus equals 2. Okay. Okay, wrong answer. Times 2. It wasn't equal to. Okay. So we want to 1 2. Is equal to 9. Okay, no, J is equal to 1. Okay, this one doesn't work. I get 2 to 3. So that's 1 3 3. Okay. So first is gonna be okay. Where does the first one work though? What? 0 1 2. Okay, 0 that's 2, and then 1 is that's 3. Zero is 2. Okay, we get 1 too many. One too many. 1 1 2 3. Okay, 1 1 is good. Okay, no, actually 1 1. Oh, it actually has to be nums of I. Nums of I. Now let's equal to less than. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's submit, guys. Okay, guys, there we go. Okay, guys, there's your problem. There's you guys' problem for today, man. Yeah, good thing I checked because I completely forgot. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep up the good work. I'ma see you in the next one.